sound. Very fully. You guys okay? Yeah, all good.
Sorry, what's like all this for again?
We're just doing a little piece about the student housing market.
Right, yeah. Do you really need all this?
Hey, how are ya? What's this? Oh, you didn't tell me the BBC were here. Oh, not Watchdog, are ya? No, because we are perfectly above board.
I'm sorry, we're just doing a little piece on the student housing market. Just pretend we're not here.
Oh, don't
If you could just say this for us.
Sue Casa, your Casa. That is if you pay rent.
Can you just put that on your lapel for us?
Yeah, of course, yeah. I've actually used one of these before. Bit of an actor myself. I was an extra in Extras, funny enough. What's in the box? Brad Pitt. 7. Great film. Bit too old for you lot. Anyway, we can head in now, yeah? You guys all right? Cool. Let's just... Just give me 1 second, yeah? Oh yeah, what's the code? Just getting my steps in. Anyway, I'm Terry Bagger, the Shagger to some, and what you guys are?
Jen.
Jen.
Mark.
Mark.
Freddie.
Freddie, all right.
Bobby.
No one asked for your name, mate. There's a reason you're behind the camera. Anyway, let's head in, all right? Alice! So you got your TV, you got your table, sofa, kitchen, all that stuff. There's Alice. Oh, there's Alice. And that's Jamie. Good Jamie. And more importantly, you got fucking... Oh, Chris. Here's Chris. Well gone, Chris. Ah, there we go. Always eating this one, fucking fatty. Hey, look at that. Look at the fucking ripples on that. Bit of Halo 3. Absolute classic. See, I'd use a grenade there, personally. No, I'm trying to outline that you know what you're doing. Fucking hell. I was a bit more of a COD man myself, personally. You know, no Russian and all that, but seriously, no. We don't run out to them.
Commander, this is Kilo 2-3. Lost my wingman and are only off. Over. Roger that, Hopkins. Get out of there.
So, is anyone down for a bit of Monday Night Loft, surely? Come on. Yeah? Come on, bit of Monday Night Loft. Come on, Alice, surely. All right, fucking snowflake.
We've actually got another viewing to get to free soon, so we should probably go.
Yeah, no, say no more. I'll see you out. Au revoir, Shoshana! Tarantino, one for the boys. You can learn up on that, but...
What a fucking nutcase.
I'm literally so glad we don't have to deal with him anymore.
Right, okay. Next house then. Let's go, guys.
Oh, wait, guys. Don't get mad at me.
What?
But he's still got the laptop mic.
Dickhead! Oh. So, you broken up with your boyfriend yet?
Have you broken up with your boyfriend yet?
Oh, shh. Right. Yeah, fuck. Spot. Yeah, all right. Thanks. Right, you're not going to use that last bit, are you?
Did you get all that? That house looked like fucking shit.
Fritzl's basement had more charm than that. And don't get me started on that fucking landlord.
Anyone say landlord? More like you need a fucking land legend. You guys still in the market, you two?
Oh, it's you again?
Yeah, it's me, TB. You know what it is. All right, shall we head in then? All right, let's go. Come on. Just 1 second. Now, it is a shithole. No doubt about that, but I just really love the challenge, actually. Someone actually said, funny enough, that I should sell honey to a bee. Yeah.
Who was that?
Yeah, just some bloke. Anyway, should we see a room? Yeah. So this is one of our double rooms. Let's say it's where magic happens, as they say. Oh! Okay. Oh my God, mate! Someone got fucking lucky. Wait, it won't even be a problem for you two. Look, he's even pitching a fucking tent. Oh, mate, I can't imagine what you two will get up into there. Oh my God.
No, sorry, no, we're not together.
Well, there was that one time.
Shut the fuck up.
Do you want to ask him any questions about the property or?
Go on.
Right, yeah, what's the energy rating?
Energy rating. Oh, that's a good one. 7. 7. That's right. Yeah.
Bills included?
Yeah, no, he is. Yeah,
What do you mean?
bills included. Yeah, no, he just comes with the property. Yeah, yeah.
Do you live here? In the house?
Where do you sleep?
Yeah, no, he's Bill. Bill, stop it! No, no, here you go, here you go. He is my sister's cousin, not by blood, of course. You know, you just need somewhere to live, and me being the savvy landlord that I am, he just lives here, doesn't he? You okay, Bill? Anyway, any more questions?
What are the neighbours like?
Fits. Fucking fits. Freshers, right? And there was this one girl with fucking...
It's fine, it's fine. It's literally alright. Like, this is the last house. We're gonna go straight home afterwards.
Swear to God, if it is that prick of a landlord again, I'm going to...
All right, you all right? Oh, it's you again. Oh my God. You guys just can't get enough of me, can you? Right, so I've actually had an idea. Why don't you guys head up to the room and me and Emlock can come upstairs. It can be quite cinematic like. Right, so if you don't like this one, I'm gonna have to kill you, you know? I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse. You know, good fellas, great film. Anyway, let's just head into the room, please. So we've got one of our largest double rooms in here, and so what's all this then? Was this you? Seriously, is it? Yeah, no, I'm not impressed. I'm taking pictures of here in a half hour and I don't want it looking like Youngblood's fucking Pinterest board. Jesus Christ. And that's coming out of your deposit! Sorry, guys. What a fucking Debbie Downer, eh? Oh my, fucking virgin suicide's over there.
Mark, join in. Mark, take a photo with us, come on. Mark, I'm not going to be here all day. Come on, Mark, do it.
Right, so you got your typical kitchen, you know, you got the sink, you got the oven, blender, washing machine. Air fryer, yes, very good, very trendy actually, use one of those myself, yeah.
Dear Mum, I can't take it here.
Oh, okay, right, that's a bit personal, we're gonna... Boundaries, mate, come on. Anyway, so what do you guys think? Huh?
I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah, we're just looking at options.
I'm gonna have to ask our other housemates about it.
yeah.
Check
Yeah, because at the end of the day, of course, it is your decision, right, guys?
Yeah, no, that's
Yeah, no, it is your decision, yeah. But I'd seriously reconsider it if I was you guys. You know, there's not many houses left, and it's February now as well. I've not heard about many people completing a uni degree while living on North Road, you see. You don't want to end up like Bill, do you now? You know, scrounging around, needing other people. So if I were you guys, yeah, I would seriously reconsider what you're doing here.
Well, no, we'll take it.
Oh, yeah. You'll take. Oh no, you guys nearly had me there for a second. Anyway, right. So I'll get the paperwork done, and you can probably sign it in Jimmy's, right? All right. I'll see you guys at Jimmy's, eh? Ta-ta.
Father wears his Sunday best. Mother's tired, she needs a rest. The kids are playing up downstairs. Sister's sighing in her sleep. brother's got a date to keep, he can't hang around. Our house in the middle of our street. Our house in the middle of our house, it has a crowd. There's always something happening and it's usually quite loud. Our mum, she's so
I can't shag it as well. Do you want to come here so I can get my leg up a bit higher, actually?
I feel weird if people see this.